Mata? Ay! Ay! Ay!
Kuya John!
Carlos TV. Welcome back to my channel, Rock and Rollers. Thanks for watching. Tapos na po yung 12-12. And medyo nakaraos na kami pagdating sa aspeto ng pagpapak. Although meron pa rin tayong mga parcels sa kailangan pack for shipment every day. Pero hindi na siya ganun ka-hectic. Unlike before, nung nag-sale at before nag-sale. Sobrang dami ng mga orders natin. Kaya it's a blessing. Ang ganda ng Christmas tree, oh. Nagbe-blink ang lights nila. Di ba na? Yeah. So we're planning to kind of like hold a Christmas party for our team para we get to celebrate Christmas together. This is gonna be the first time that it's going to happen kasi syempre this is the first time na magkakasama kami during Christmas, and I think it's gonna be so much fun because we are going to also do parang exchange gifts. Magbubunutan kami mamaya. So ito na yung papers kung saan sila magbubunot. Si Nangnang, si Leia din tapos si magbunot. Sino po tapos na? So later na lang, o yung matitira sa akin na lang yun. Yung amount lang ng gift should be around 250 pesos para magaan lang din sa kanila. So hindi ko alam kung ano bibilhin. Ang initial na plano was just to buy a gift na pwede sa babae at sa lalaki, pero sabi nila mas maganda daw na may pangalan, kaya ayun ang gagawin namin. It's gonna be so much fun. I'd like them to enjoy so much kasi I think it's something na I wanted to do for them to be happy kasi at the end of the day they are a family to me and I love them so much, and yun ang gagawin namin. So ito na yung paper. Good morning! Good morning everybody! Good morning! Oh! You are here? Kala, pasok ka na.
Bukas.
Okay.
Kay Commander.
Ala! Ayan na! Bunot na!
Ngayon pa lang kayo kakain? What's your ulam, ate?
Matigas na.
Adobong chicken, naluto ni Nangnang. Nang, matigas daw yung luto nating chicken. And si Leia din. She is currently answering queries. Si Maymay. Siya yung takot sa camera. Si Arnel. So, ginagawa ni Arnel ngayon, binabalik niya yung mga walang stickers para mabenta ulit. Okay. Sino nakapagbunot na? Si Leia din. Si Nangnang nakapagbunot na rin. Sino man nakabunot na? May nagbunot ka na ba? Ba? Bunot.
Oh my God! Sana mabunot ko kay Kuya. Meron ka ba pangalan dito?
Meron ba pangalan yan? Hindi, ibig sabihin, yung pangalan dyan, yan yung reregaluhan mo.
Ano ba?
Yan ang reregaluhan mo. Huwag mo na sasabihin. Secret lang yan. Malalaman lang natin yan pag Christmas party.
Pwede ulitin?
Ha? Hindi. Ngaya.
Ay, baka kung binunot mo!
Sikreto yan ha. Sikreto malupit yan ha. Ayan ang regaluhan nyo. Tandaan nyo yan.
Pag may marigalo sa Kuya, dapat laptop!
Dali.
Isay si Nangnang, si Ate Nangnang.
Iya din.
Naiyak!
Dahil pagrilingan ha. Dahil pagrilingan. Apel. Tulo. Kita na saan tulo.
Matadada dyan ka, Kuya.
Kitang tulong ako.
Hindi kayang abutin ang utak ko kung ano ang standard mo! Oo, grabe ka. Okay na?
Napapa-oh my God nga si Ate Mylene. Baga dyan.
Maris!
The new Miss Universe is Philippines.
Rock and Rollers. I am here in Eastwood today and it's so amazing kasi ang daming Christmas lights around the area. Feel na feel mo ng Pasko dito sa Pilipinas. And we're so lucky to have witnessed these lights here in Eastwood. So I'm gonna tour you around para makita nyo how it feels like to be in Eastwood.
Ganap ngayong darating na 23.
Ngayong 23? Hindi naman ako nakapaghanda.
Anong ganap ngayong darating na 23?
Pick up lang tayo. Pick up lang ngayong 23. Tapos, plan is baka magluto na ako ng mga pangkain natin on the 23rd para gabi mag-start na tayo ng party natin.
Okay.
Tapos, may gift giving, may mga games na para sa inyo. Yun. First year together na mag-celebrate. Tapos, dapat maging memorable yun. And, masaya.
May palaro?
Ayaw mo ng games? Palaro gusto mo?
Games.
Okay. Kala ko hindi mo alam ang games. Wow, I received a gift.
Yung isa wine.
Sama ko to. Thank you naman dyan. Thank you.
Buksan mo na, dali.
Ay.
We're leaving.
Where are you going?
Pumunta kami ng mall.
Di ba mag-ano tayo? Oh. Okay. So, we receive a gift. This is for May. Galing sa supplier. Bubuksan natin kung ano laman. Obviously, it's Old Navy. Yayamanin ng supplier natin.
Slow-mo. Oh my God! Jacket! Dalawa? Bakit? Jacket. Tita. Tama ba? Hindi, ito na ano yan. Yung sarado mo. Yung isa pa. Yung isa pa.
And another one. Sparkling Welsh. Meron tayong wine for Christmas. Ito na yon. So, mga kagandahan kapag meron kang mga supplier na consistently pinagpunan mo ng mga bagay-bagay sa kanila, nakakatuwa. Meron tayong mga gifts na hindi natin inaasahan. Yun lang naman. Gabi na pero may mga dumarating pa rin stocks. Minsan kasi kailangan nilang pumasok dito kahit gabi na kasi medyo yung traffic hindi na ganoon ka-heavy. Si Arnel ngayon yung magbubuhat. Imagine mo kung gaano kaliit na tao si Arnel pero ganyan kabigat yung mga bit-bit. My God, I hate drugs. Tibigat. Ito pa yung ating sweat shorts. Ano naman? Ito yung mga sweat shorts. Mga bagong dating sweat shorts na pang lalaki, stripes. Yan. Tapos sa ate nagpipicture. Kailangan kong hilahin to kasi nagpipicture ang aking magandang dalaga. Stripes na sweat shorts. Hop.
Ayan guys.
Yung katrio na slow mo turn. Dali.
Ayaw.
Dali na.
Hindi. May itatanong ako. Pag nagpakulot ako, kuya, bagay?
Huwag na. Kulot-kulot na nga yung mukha mo, magkukulot yun. Dami na nga ng wave sa mukha mo, tapos sinukot ko.
Ang kinis mo ah. Parang kahawig ko si Katrina pag naka-side view.
Ay, wow.
Tingnan mo, oh.
Nga. Parang hindi naman katrio na yan.
Katriuna.
Ayan na nga. So, nagdaan ang ilang mga araw. Ay, sorry. Muntik ko na nga. Humay. So, nagdaan ng ilang mga araw. Malapit na magpasko. So, sa pamamagitan po ng channel na ito, I'd like to say Merry Christmas to everyone. And it has been a very productive 2018 for me. And I hope na it goes the same sa inyong lahat na nanonood sa channel na to. Nagkaroon ng malaking growth ang ating channel dahil sa suporta nyo. Gusto ko lang po muna mag-hello sa isa sa ating masugid na taga-subaybay, si Kenneth Tongol. Hello sa iyo, Kenneth. Maraming salamat sa iyong suporta. Ayun na nga. So, siguro last few days ago, I started buying items na for parang sort of like gifts for my cousins and para sa mga kasamahan natin sa trabaho, dyan sa karinderya, and sa mga family members. So, kailangan natin mag-share ng blessing. So, I started buying gifts already so that by Friday, Saturday, Sunday, hindi na ako kailangan umalis ng bahay kasi I know by history, every time na papalapit na yung Pasko, magkakaroon ng Carmageddon! Carmageddon! So parang hindi na gumagalaw yung mga sasakyan papunta sa mga malls, papunta kung saan binibili yung mga items na gusto nilang iregalo. That's why I thought I needed to also go there ahead of them para in that way hindi na kailangan makipagsiksikan pa ako sa mga tao doon. So ayun, I am done. So far today is Friday. Ay hindi, Thursday pa lang ngayon and tomorrow is Friday. And I have already packed the items. Lahat ng mga gifts na yun ay na-pack na and that's just ready for, they're just ready for parang giving to the rightful owner. Rightful owner? And ayun nga, sabi ko, I wanna answer one question kasi I think this one is extremely important considering na season ngayon na maraming mga buyers na bumibili online. I thought I should answer this kasi very timely. So the question goes like this. This question is coming from Leah Iloy. Sana po masagot nyo po yung tanong ko. Umorder po kasi ako sa Shopee ng Anycast. Hindi ko alam kung ano ibig sabihin ng Anycast. Ayon sa date, dadating daw po ng 12. Tapos di naman dumating ng 12. Tapos pinindot ko yung extend 3 days ba yun? Eh di na bago po yung date, naging 15 na po. Pero di pa rin dumadating yung order ko po hanggang ngayon. Nasa sorting hub pa rin siya since December 6. Automatic cancel po ba yun? Kahit nasa to receive pa rin po yung order ko. Wala po kasi ka-response yung seller na nakakabuisit. Okay. This one is very timely kasi considering na it's season, there are a lot of online buyers who are placing their orders on different kinds of online selling platforms. Facebook, Lazada, and kahit Shopee. Shopee is not an exemption. So, I have notes here para ma-organize ko yung context ng mga sasabihin ko. Okay. One thing that I'd like to clarify to all the buyers out there, I am a seller on Shopee, but I don't have control over the movement of the parcels. Meaning, when we ship out the item, it is no longer beyond or it is no longer within our control. When we say control, I'm referring to the movement of the item. The item may possibly reach your location on time. It could be earlier than expected. It can be late. And in most cases, it can be late during season like Christmas season, wherein a lot of online buyers are somehow submitting their orders online. So as a result, there are a lot of transactions, there are a lot of orders that have to be shipped out. And considering that I am not the only seller on Shopee, marami pong mga sellers on Shopee. There are possibly thousands or hundreds of thousands of sellers on Shopee. And all of them would ship out items to all their buyers all over the country. Okay? And during season, most of us, especially yung mga nasa Manila, they would somehow go back to their provinces and spend Christmas vacation with their families. Maraming mga ganung situation. Especially in the areas of Visayas, in Mindanao, yung mga families na nandito sa Manila, umuwi ng probinsya just to spend their Christmas with their family. Kaya, that is when the airline companies are having some issues in, trying to load on a lot of packages for shipment na supposedly for Visayas and for Mindanao, because they have to prioritize their passengers. Believe it or not, airline passengers do not really foresee the kind of baggages or luggages the passengers would be bringing with them until sa araw mismo ng kanilang flight. So, because of that, it impacts the movement of our parcels that are for shipment to their respective buyers. So they prioritize the passengers with their, mga packages or baggages na dala-dala nila. And considering that there are limits pagdating sa weight sa aeroplano, they have to offload a lot of packages that have been shipped ahead. So, magkakaroon talaga ng delay yung pag-deliver. And unfortunately, yung pag-update niyan sa system, it takes some time as well because kumbaga, nag-a-accumulate lahat ng mga parcels na dumadating every day. Kasi, di ba, everyday tayo nag-ship out. And because of that, yung mga pre-shipped item, ando dun pa rin. Tapos may mga darating na naman everyday. Hanggang sa nagkakaroon talaga ng sobrang delay yung pagdating ng mga items. Kaya, yun po, wala pong control si seller pagdating sa movement ng mga items. As a buyer, let's just manage our expectation. Although, sa Shopee, there is some features that would somehow give you an idea regarding when the item is arriving in your address. Unfortunately, yung extend guarantee, hindi talaga siya nasusunod during season. Kasi by experience, may mga items talaga na nare-receive ni buyer after a month na because of the season. And hindi talaga na-update ng Shopee yung system because of that din. And dahil dyan, may mga buyers na medyo nako-confuse about ano nangyayari, na-extend ko na yung guarantee, bakit hindi pa rin dumarating yung mga item. Don't worry po, if the item hasn't arrived in your address yet, there's a potential that this item that you ordered may be just waiting for it to be delivered. Medyo hindi lang natin alam kung saan talaga siya na-delay, kung nasaan siya napunta. Pero mag-move yung item na yun, kahit hindi mo nakikita, kahit hindi natin nakikita na nag-update yung system ni Shopee, nag-move yung item na yun, papalapit sa inyo. Although hindi lang natin alam kung kailan darating yun. So, yan ang medyo challenge ngayon, ang mahirap ipaliwanag sa mga buyers kasi dapat we should be fully informed. Kaya lang, hindi talaga tayo provided ng specific information kung saan yung mga items na yun. Kaya, we have to wait. Which is not a good way of also doing business. Kaya, wala tayong magawa sa mga aspetong yan. Kaya, ayun, magpapasensya muna tayo ng konti. Yung concern naman kasi nila, hindi daw kasi nagre-reply si seller, which is not right. Sa mga buyers or sa resellers or sa sellers naman na hindi nagre-reply, I think my advice for you is to make sure na you provide them an idea about what you are doing, just to give them a courtesy. Kasi at the end of the day, they are your buyers and they deserve to get information when they need it. It's really good na you are assigning someone who will do the chat talaga. Focus lang sa chat. I-set mo lang yung expectation mo na at times may mga ganong cases talaga and you have to be ready in explaining that to your buyer kasi otherwise your buyer will not be very happy. So you have to learn that from us kasi we are experiencing a lot of that, especially at kulang tayo ng mga tao na pwedeng mag-fill in ang gap. So sinusubukan natin na ma-address lahat ng mga questions and concerns. Kaya as much as possible, if you are doing this business, make sure that you are ready and you are planning. Tapos consider mo rin yung mga resources na pwedeng mag-jump in para tumulong in executing every single activity na kailangan magawa when you're doing online business. Admittedly, meron din mga buyers kasi na medyo assumptive. Nag-a-assume sila na just because the buyer or the seller was not able to respond on time, nag-a-assume sila na parang so hindi tayo mag-reply, gano'n na gano'n na. Lalo na pag may mga cases of disputes, etc. Akala nila dinidisregard sila, akala nila hindi na, parang wala tayong interest in solving the issues. Hindi po gano'n. May mga cases po talaga na may delay lang yung pagsasagot. Pero I have to admit, sa amin, although hindi ko alam sa ibang team, sa amin kasi, we make sure to address them. Although hindi agad-agad talaga lahat na address because ang dami talaga naman kailangan tapusin. But we try our best to address them lahat. Medyo may delay nga lang from time to time kasi nga ang layo ng Palawan, lalo na sa mga nagpapa-refund at ayaw gamitin yung Shopee application. So medyo mahirap kasi malayo yung Palawan sa amin and gusto nila kasi sa Palawan. And imagine how busy we are. Tapos yung mga buyers magre-request ng refund kahit naman nagkamali pa sila. But because we wanted to make them happy, we give them a courtesy na okay, we'll give this to you. Pero minsan talaga admittedly may kasalanan kami na hindi namin. Alam mo yung mga hindi siya sabihin natin hindi siya intention. Probably because of the so many things na kailangan gawin. Alam mo, parang na-overlook mo yung mga bagay-bagay. Like example, may punit or nagkamali ng pagdikit ng sticker. Kasi may mga cases kasi na si Pael, pag nagdidikit ng sticker, halimbawa sa isang araw, merong 3 pangalan, ang pangalan Sharon. Tapos yung sticker na nididikit mo, ibang Sharon pala ang nadidikit. So pag dumadating sa kanila, sa buyer, maling-mali yung mga in-order nila. Kaya, ayun, may mga ganung cases tayo na na-experience and you have to learn that from us. Kasi I'm sharing this with you kasi ayoko na mangyari pa sa inyo ito. Okay? So, I hope na in this video, you learn something new. Kasi yun naman talaga yung pinaka-purpose natin. I really want you to learn from us. Kasi gumagawa kami ng business and we are not perfect. But we're trying our best to meet your standards. May mga buyers kasi na talagang sobrang demanding ng oras mo. Sobrang demanding. So, feeling nila umiikot na lang ang mundo ng mga sellers sa kanila. Huwag naman sanang ganun. So, if you are a seller on Shopee or any kind of online platforms, please make sure na you address every single inquiries that your buyer has. Regardless kung inquiry yan tungkol sa product mo, regardless kung inquiry yan tungkol sa mga process of refund or whatnot, address them properly because your buyers are parang lifeblood of your business. Okay? So thanks for watching, and if you are a first timer on this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Thank you!